So this just rolled off the transporter. She is a bit of a dirty girl at the moment, but will be looking splendid and clean soon. So it's 2016 Discovery Sport HSE luxury with a black pack. It is a manual car, and obviously it's a 7-seat. As I said, just arrived, so quick video just to show you the car before, and then I'll show you the car afterwards in a proper video, just so you can see the difference between the two. It has had the timing chain done with an invoice to prove. New front tyres within the last, I think she said 400 miles. Got both keys to the car, decent service history. Black leather on the inside with all the HSE Lux features, so you've got the glass roof, electric memory front seats, heated seats, all-round climate control. It's even got rear air conditioning, side steps fitted, black wheels. Done just over 94,000 miles, just under 94,000 miles. Represents incredible value for money, and has had all the preparation work done already. It's booked in to go and have a full service, MOT, machine polish, wheel refurbs if needed, and any other preparation work that's required. It is listed on the website now with the listing pictures. Once it's been validated and is all sorted, there'll be a full set of pictures up, but the car is available to reserve now, either through our website or give me a call and I can help you get a deal sorted out.